Try, dear. All right, so we number one, and our guests go first shook mouth inside. They say, don't lay back because you are a married woman. No, just say, after all, Amaka bin don't talk this thing. I think last week.
I love to talk.
Just sit down and say, I beg, after all, I don't marry. You just decide, say, man, nothing again, waiting. The husband what they look for, I don't get them. And this kind of things now, they make all the young men, because I see the rate of, to me, I would say the rate of young men now, say them, they just marry for marriage sake, but now then get girlfriends past the older ones. What do you agree with me?
I agree.
Why
don't
you
lay
think
back
like
you.
that?
Sit upright.
Yes.
Don't do like this. How long have you married?
Me have married for a month plus now.
Many more years to come. Lifetime to come. More joke with that. Don't just sit back and relax and be very vigilant and very sharp and watchful. Although me, I'm not married, but I have 2 children with my ex for 8 years.
8 years?
We're together that long, but I said no work, no honey.
Yeah.
We gotta move on, we gotta continue the hustle.
Yeah.
So me and my children were here in Nigeria, but never sit back and lazy up yourself and depend on the man to do anything.
At all.
Don't depend 100%. Sorry, uncle. Don't depend 100% on him. You to have your hustling something, make your own money.
Very tight.
I'm not lying. I respect any woman who works hard for every dime that she has.
Yeah.
Legit work.
Yeah.
When I like that part, legit work.
And what else you get to say for
She
this
don't
one?
talk am. You don't me. I never marry, but dear husband, no say why I marry you. The skirts go shorter for inside house. The knicker shall come out. Have a nice day.
Why inside house? Sometimes I
See,
they try not to agree with the inside house thing. Bring and come out. Make people talk about it so that the man go say, yeah.
And we have 2 of us, not be outside talk.
Men different. Different. Some men don't even like make their women, make their wives make mistake where anything way short past their knee come from house.
Yeah.
Some men don't like them, but some. Hey! I marry you. I
flaunt
it.
Show it.
I beg, wait till they do you. Raise that skirt up. Let that back come down. They'll not draw my hair. And I just like him. They'll come give you that killer heel. You know that heel where you wear like this, where you do leg like this.
No, but me,
I did my front.
Actually, I get family member when that thing happen to. The husband don't like her, and you will be Hausa, so that person is northerner. She marry Yoruba. The guy say all these long skirts, we no do am, no be here. So he tell her make she give am out. Go sow seed for other people life. Now her clothes, anything knee above, not below. And then you go to work out for the back. They say, hey, look at that's my own. Take it, that's my own. Let's go.
No, men different.
So, but that's not supposed to be.
But you need to really, I go to talk about on top of this one. Women, we don't marry. Turn up.
Yeah.
Turn up. Oh.
But you know the part where they
argue for office all time. Person tell me say, all these girls, what they go do, wear hairnet. When they wear hairnet, they can't tie wrapper inside house. I say, it depends on how the man take answer the woman. If she do am once, do am twice. You know like her. Tell her say I no like her. But if you not tell her, say you don't like the wrapper where she dey tie and the hair she dey put for head, and she continue to dey do am, she go dey do am, they go.
No, because I don't agree with that because
she go dey do am because she don't know. But she feel dey do am when she dey alone.
You know they ask question from your friend.
You see, no be I don't talk this for
if you get good
friends the same. I don't talk for men. The one where you marry, you know whether that one they like make they cover hair.
I know they wear hairnet on my husband there also. No.
Because you know you're
far from me. Far from me.
But no hairnet. No wrapper. Even when I tie
I don't get the wrapper to tie.
Chest go they hot me.
Yeah, so there's no need for that one.
No,
to me, I know agree. But some go say, because we they live for yard. Yes, I understand some that they live for yard. But by 19, I get some kind of night where you
sexy,
feel for
honey.
yard. Yeah, you know. You're there from net, they talk to neighbor. Mama get you to talk. And they're very busy now, we'll talk later. All right, moving on, we'll move to number 2. Ask for opinion concern your look. Ask them, say, like the way I look. Tell them like my hairstyle. Yes, make it be like because who will be that person? One actor, Olu Jacobs, yes, and in white, Joker Silva talk say every time where he or her they go out, they use each other as mirror. You agree with that?
I do that. I mean, now, yes, I'm not with my ex, but yes, I do have someone in my personal life. But it's not easy to look beautiful.
Yes, it's a very hard job. I shall ask you a question.
I now wear fine heels, wear fine clothes. Even if you don't say, before you even say, baby, you look. How do I look? I look good. Yes, you have to engage in that whole, so that even if he's thinking of looking somewhere else, when you dress properly, when you look good, turn the attention back to you.
Agreed.
You have to. I feel like you have to ask.
I agree. Please turn up. Please, I beg. We they beg you for here. May you not talk lady just come to gossip. We they tell you because we said they learn from me. In case you get anything when you want to share with us, say we no talk about today. Go on top Twitter. Go on top of Facebook. Make you tell us. Okay, add this one. Make we share to our viewers. I won't say listeners, I know the radio. Just make we share. Now, ladies talk, make we rub hearts together because that is why we are here. All right, moving on. It say make you maintain yourself, arrange yourself, body shape. That talking about that body shape. And size. No reduce, no increase. Keep it up and make it very attractive. Who agree with me?
When you say body shape, what do you mean?
Okay, body shape, when you now come and be married and you now come and have a baby, you now leave pack here, you have tire like 6 or 7.
Workout,
it's not good on
workout.
Yeah.
Workout.
If na body magic you want to use, patronize them.
That's not for me. That's not for me.
No, but you get some way they're very nice. Way actually they elastic. We get you feel breathe.
Exercise.
Everything is a lie. All that elastic something. All that come out from no. No, just walk it out and find some natural something that you can be eating or drinking. Like me, I don't work out every day.
Okay.
I might work out in the whole of the 12 months, maybe 30 days out of it, but I drink hot water when I wake up in the morning.
Yes, very
hot water.
Good. Very
Not
good.
Hot water and lime and lemon.
No.
Hot water. Then I also drink ginger tea.
Yeah.
And I mean, I've been like this for a while, and if I need to lose it, I know what else I need to do. But all those packaging and sucking things up is not for me.
But they plenty now because the market is set for Nigeria because they did very lazy to just do something about it.
And many of these things are deceiving. They're deceiving.
Why would we deceive? When some men, we want fairly packaged, you don't want to drop money.
However, on top that way you don't talk now, I go tackle you on top.
Tackle me.
You don't marry finish. She don't suck him before. She takes that talk him. No depend on the man who her. If you make mistake,
Continue.
It's true.
If you depend on the man who her, tell me, if you maybe by mistake, you no can't get money. You can't tell him, honey, give me money, make I go make my hair.
Continue.
Honey, give me money. I won't go buy shampoo. Honey, give me money.
I hope say no. Why you since they marry ordinary car, they never buy their wife, but they give the others when they're outside. Make I win land. You don't talk.
She they make 1.2 and one attack her.
Continue. Okay, I like the way she talks. Say, honey, how do I look? Okay, I ask you, how do I look? Did you even encourage me? I born for you. I give you everything. Encourage me. You come and tell me, you're not looking good. Yeah, Brasilia. Did you buy the Brasilia for me? If I have my money, I may be easy to feed the students and they do school fees. Leave me alone, bo.
That's why I talk. What thing I talk before? I say when you want to marry somebody, I don't say depend on because I didn't work well. And I don't I lost my parents at very young age. At 19, 20, I don't hustle. Like I exchange money to buy and sell legit work. Legit. I do legit until date. I tell you, I don't feel married person will go keep me for house for full housewife. But that's not an excuse.
Not the excuse.
Not the excuse for you to depend on the man. As a woman with this our generation where we day, it get online business. It gets the ones where they cook from house, go sell to people where they offices.
You have your 9 to 5.
Yes, I don't see. She know they do the complete work. She just feels okay. You know what? Because of the children, and her twins she born.
Wow.
So you imagine how
hard working. That's serious work.
But you know what she do inside her own house? She they cook, carry good gift for offices, lunch, collect her money. From there she branch to market. From there she go back house. And inside her food where she cook, she don't still provide for the children. So sometimes. You don't need to wait for the guy in a way. Just look for something to take care of you. Yes, we all understand. Yes. Say that's how way you day in love. my own belief, sometimes they see something, so they overlook something. Now when you don't come day inside, so it's easier to say somebody where they're outside, it's easier to say, she didn't check, she didn't look where, she didn't hello, if I know before I don't go enter.
In fact, not even talk on top down when you talk. So see sometimes how we put her now, some women, in fact, not sometimes women get different, all of us different. Yeah. Some no get business sense. Yeah. Some no get handwork. Some no get brain. Yeah. But trust me, they must get one thing.
What is
they must get, I mean, you agree with that? Right. They must get one thing with them Sabi do. If not be bead, na hats. It don't be hats. Na cake. Na chin. Na to cook
do hair.
Na do hair. Na thank you. Na at least you go work for organization. If you be teacher, if you be one thing, if you be presenter like us.
Anything.
Exactly.
They don't learn anything.
So you don't just fit it up for house. Say I want to do housewife. Hello. That way you go cost and say your husband go they use you do tumbo for outside.
And God forbid when something now happens to the man where maybe he has financial problems, the woman will say, now I'm in this situation because of him.
Yeah. But she can't blame her, but now she cost
herself. That has been providing this whole time.
So you two take charge.
You understand?
You are supposed to stand up. A woman, you're supposed to be helper to man. Yes. I sabi that part of Bible, and I know as a human you are supposed to be not be consider and look. You dey help and carry picking, help and cook, help and clean the house, because men no fit multitask like we dey multitask. They are on a one-way traffic. But if you see the way we God take wire, that's why woman go dey breastfeed picking. She dey cook for fire. She dey answer her husband. She dey on phone call.
Correct.
Yes, that's what God take wire.
But you believe say true woman and multitasker?
Yes, I am.
You know how they ask you? What person they shout for background say, na lie.
Really?
Say woman, man too sabi multitask. You agree with me?
What are they doing? Once their mind is off something like this.
They get one of our colleagues where wife just born, lucky child. So I come ask and say, you don't learn how to fix pampers. He say he still they learn, and the baby don't reach how long now? 3 weeks or 2 weeks.
He never
learn how to. Rap.
Oh, you're kidding.
You know? So, hey, would I not be multitasking? More than take time, not the life.
All
right, we could go number 4. Number 4 say, learn how to give him gifts.
I believe in that.
A lot.
I believe in that.
I'm a witness.
I don't care.
I tell you.
What's your hand doing up? I don't care how little it is. Just little like things. This, like that. To me, it's still, I don't know, sorry or yours, we're Nigerian somebody, but that Oyinbo, romantic something is too much, Jimmy. Yeah. So all those small little things count. When you do all this big busha something, it doesn't freak me. When you do those little things, that's what really... Females laugh.
Like me minute cotton. Only me to myself. Like me, my own part, I don't like parties. I hate surprises. I always talk. I hate surprise birthday party. I hate noise. Anything will go put me on the spot. But you know what? I think last vow, my husband just come home with pillow, one small pillow like this. I dey sleep because they always do. I dey sleep with the pillow. Like one day, he just come inside my room, comes inside, I dey sleep. Is that why you do it? Because I like it. I appreciate that pillow more than like some things for the house, because now what's in it give to me. Now me, my own thing. So those little things, Amaka.
What did Mr. Mensah do for you last week?
Private.
All right, we don't already talk about the 5th one. We don't talk about again. Take care of your own appearance. No wait for Ram to tell you, say in friend, wife, they do her eyebrow like this, then you can't decide to learn them first before you talk.
I beg, women, please. Because you marry, no need say you no go bath. Armpits they smell. They shave.
Smell something.
Shave. Shaving is very important thing. Continue.
All right. I want to enter the next part. But when we come back from this break, hey, we go tell you now the remaining 3 or 4 will remain. We will discuss about. Will they come back after this break?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make you sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.